All right, something that we don't normally hear coming from investors in that space, telling you to do your due diligence before investing. Now, moving on, youth in Samburu have been encouraged to utilize their potential in productive initiatives and not indulge in drugs and other vices during the International Youth Day. Now, the youths in Samburu cleaned the town of Maralal, Kisima, and Sugut Marmar and planted 300 trees. Now, Samburu County Governor Lati Lelelit thanked the youth for the productive work, adding that the government will work closely with them, promising that policies on youth and gender will be instituted.
Nimejitolea kuwasikiza, niseme ndio nijue nini nawasaidia. Baadaye mimi niseme vitu yangu ambayo labda ni vitu ambayo itasaidia. The youth will lead the youth program in this country and I will be helping them implement those programs. Lakini hao wenyewe ndio watadevelop, hao ndio wenyewe wataniguide. Kazi yangu ni kuwatafutia njia ya kuendeleza hizo program.
We decided to do clean up exercise, planting almost 300 trees in Maralal to support the commitment of our president of building a green space and also building a forest cover in Kenya.
We are calling on for all youths in Samburu to come and help us to take action of the activities that are around that we are doing, cleanups in the county. And also we are here because we know that youths are the ones who have ideas, they are the policy makers, they are the people who will bring the other people on board on activities that are the ones that will help the other citizens of the country.
All right, quite some interesting initiative there. So let's move on.